Hey everybody, Don Dabney. Now normally I would just have you in the car with me, but there's like nowhere to mount the camera with the suction cup. So what we got here is a really cool MGTF that was restored many years ago, and it was really well done. I'm going to assume they probably reset the odometer at the restoration. It shows 6,500 miles. I don't know that unequivocally, but I kind of think so when I just look at the materials in the car. I can kind of make some guesses on age and mileage. Anyway, it's a really nicely set up car. It has an air fuel meter. It has a boost gauge. All the original gauges are in working order. The lights, the switches, the blinkers, the horn, everything works. It's got a lovely patinaed leather interior. It has a beautiful high quality Robbins type cloth top with the side curtains that are in great shape. Look barely used. I think the only thing left I can find on the car that looks like it might be original to it is the boot cover that covers the convertible top, and I shot some of the photos with it and some without, so you'll see that. So the bottom line is it just has a very nice, very light patina, and it's an incredible performing car with the supercharger. We're going to take you out for a little spin, and you can hear it running and revving and doing what it does. The shifting's tight, the suspension feels good, everything just does what it's supposed to do. Alrighty, here we go. We're cruising great right now. It's a lot of wind noise with this microphone, I apologize, but right now we're up around 45 miles an hour, heading towards 50. It cruises great. Handling feels good. It drives straight. The suspension's nice. All in all, it's just a fantastic car and a really great car to drive. So if you have any questions, give me a call. I'm up, we're on our leftcoastclassics.com. If you're not seeing it over there, you should go over there. That's where the bulk of the content is. Our YouTube channel, I think we've surpassed 6.5, 7 million views up there now. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all the other usual suspects. And you can always call me. My number should be in the description. Also, we're on two episodes of Wheeler Dealers. Season 11, Episode 8, Season 15, Episode 8, and we're just right about sometime the next month or so, we're supposed to be recording our third episode with Mike Brewer and Wheeler Dealers. So keep your eyes out for that, and we'll look forward to hearing from you. Call me anytime. Thanks for checking out this beautiful MGTF. All right, so let's head underneath. It looks like this was just completely restored when the car was restored. It's very nice under here. It's got a stainless steel exhaust system, as you can see. Looks like everything had been out at some point, rebuilt and put back in. Got front disc brakes with you know, good rubber bushings and everything, so it handles nicely. Good looking brake system. Everything looks nice up front. It just looks very nice under here. It's very clean TF.
Everybody's here. Everything is fine. Let's all just unwind.